How do we handle this paper jam that is stuck here at the rear door of this HP printer LaserJet M428? We have paper is jammed in the output bin. Open both the cartridge access door and the rear door. This is HP LaserJet Pro M428fdw printer. It has an inbuilt control panel display that enables you to resolve issues on the printer. Like in this case, it also provides a video solution on the control panel display. The display screen is helpful in resolving printer issues on HP printer. Okay, in this case, if you scroll up, you can see so you scroll up and see the continuation of the error message, and you see the event code is 13.09.14. It goes ahead to provide the short video on how to solve it. Okay, showing it here. It will show you how to remove the paper that is jammed inside the printer. This solution works when the paper jam is easy and not squeezed, so you can use this solution. Just pull out the paper gently and it will work for you. There are situations where the paper is stuck inside the fuse assembly and squeeze, and it will be very difficult to just pull it out gently, just like in this case. This is where additional effort is required. Unlike other printers where you can easily pull out the fuse assembly, like in HP LaserJet M612 and other LaserJet printers, but in the case of M428, you have to lose the printer pass before pulling out that paper. This is really a tough job for some people. It requires patience. Before you start this, make sure you turn off and unplug the printer. Allow the printer to cool down. The fuser is accessed from the back, so you need to open the rear panel. Remove any covers or cable covers near the fuser. Remove the screws holding the fuser in place. This process is similar to printers M304, M305, M404, M405 series. Carefully put the fuser unit straight out from its slot. The fuser assembly is out. Handle part carefully. The fuser has heating elements and sensitive sensors. Gently dismantle the fuser to remove the paper. The paper is out. Let me hear your comments at the comment section. Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and help me share. Thank you for watching. Bye.